loves. This is Raven from Raven's Reviews, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited to bring you a Charm Squad lava lamp collab. So without further ado, let's get into all of the magic. Now this Charm Squad collab is so near and dear to my heart. First of all, you need to make sure that you are following my beautiful nail sisters, which without them, this collaboration would not be possible. So first and foremost, that is Mama Does Nails, Priya Case Nails, and Beautiful Rose. Also Beautiful Rose Nails on YouTube. Oh my days, I'm so excited. This collaboration was a huge love project. Not only did we get to use my collection, but we got to do something that made my 90s baby heart so happy. We got to get groovy, baby, up in here. And we got to make lava lamp nails. So please head over to my sister's channels and make sure you get to see these stunning lava lamp nails that they created. All of the lava in these lamps are from the new collection, Neon Unity. And down below, I have put all of our discount codes so you can save all the coins and grab yourself the most stunning Pride collection. These colors, they hit different. With this set, I was just screaming. So I actually mixed the perfect white with colors from the collection to create the gorgeous light effect. So you could see that the lava was moving within the lamp, and it just created all of the magic. So this is Sizzling Lime that I'm showcasing on this nail, and as you saw, I actually created the jelly background with Madame Glam's Velvet Matte, cured for 10 seconds, and then I loaded that bad boy up with all of the pigment. And let me tell you, this is one of the most satisfying ways to create a jelly background. But this is not it. Nay, nay. We had to grab up the neon honey because the sizzling lime needed some highlights. And I am just freaking out of how stinking precious this is turning out. Each and every single lava lamp showcases a different color from this collection. And I love that just adding a little bit of white, not only did I get individually customized color, but the way that these matched and just gave, like, I literally thought I was staring into lava lamps. I was like, these are too cool. And then I showed my partner and she was squealing. She is very much a hippie and she was madly in love. So if you guys love this tutorial, I can go in depth in a live and just show you all the different fun ways you can do this because it is so satisfying. But not just that, showing how to color match and mix to your heart's content, because I can guarantee you no matter what colors you have in your collection, you can make so much more. This set is so much more dynamic, again, because I was able to customize the shading. And this also means you don't need a whole lot of polish. You just need your basics. I like to call them the Roy G. Bibbs, if you will. Your red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. If you have those colors and a perfect white, you can mix to your heart's delight. And as well, if you get your classics, so your black, brown, your white, all of these, when you start mixing, you'll be so surprised how many colors you can create. And then you can make some amazing lava lamp nails. Or you can just grab the Neon Unity and it's got everything you need. Oh my goodness, so I couldn't resist. I had to grab the builder gel and just add little bubbles on the underside of the nail just to really show that movement of the lava and make this so dynamic. So the rest of this is going to be a watch me work. I can't thank you enough for coming into today's video. And please don't forget to go over to Mama, Priya, and Melissa's videos. I will have everything tagged in the description box below. From my family to yours, I'm wishing you a very happy Pride.
Come and get this loving from me. I'm ready. You want it? You can get this love strong. Come and get this loving from me. I'm ready. You want it? You can get this love strong. 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 You can get this love strong.
Ooh, wee nail family. Oh my gosh, you are a real one for staying in for this entire video. This was seriously such a love project. Getting to work with my sisters was everything. And then getting to showcase this collection. This just meant the absolute world to me. So please remember to go run on over and go see my beautiful Charm Squats videos. I love you guys oh so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Now remember, if you're inspired to try these nails, please tag me because I am dying to see your creations. Sending you so much love and light. Mwah.